So, no, I wouldn't say I have a passion for HR.
Welcome back to Human Resources for the People. It's a human capital revolution. Workers' compensation in California is a complex and vital system designed to protect workers who suffer job-related injuries or illnesses. This discussion will provide a comprehensive overview of workers' compensation in California, covering key aspects such as eligibility, benefits, the claims process, and recent legislative changes. The purpose of workers' compensation serves as a no-fault insurance program that provides medical and financial benefits to employees who are injured or become ill as a result of their job. The primary goal is to ensure that injured workers receive necessary medical treatment and wage replacement while preventing costly and time-consuming litigation. Nearly all California employers are required by law to provide workers' compensation coverage for their employees. This includes both part-time and full-time workers. There are, however, some exceptions such as domestic workers, casual laborers, and certain agricultural workers. Independent contractors are generally not eligible for workers' compensation, although I think that the laws may end up changing in California on that. The workers' compensation benefits in California typically include medical treatment, like injured workers are entitled to receive medical care necessary for their recovery. This may include doctor's visits, surgeries, medications, physical therapy, and other related medical expenses. They also might include temporary disability benefits. These benefits provide wage replacement when a worker is temporarily unable to perform their job duties due to a work-related injury or illness. The amount of benefits is generally two-thirds of the worker's average weekly wage. In addition, there's permanent disability benefits. If an injury results in permanent impairment, workers may receive permanent disability benefits. The level of disability is assessed based on medical evaluations and impacts on the ability to work. There is supplemental job displacement benefits. This is a non-transferable voucher that may be provided to workers with permanent disabilities to help cover the costs of skill enhancement or job retraining. Finally, there are death benefits. When a work-related injury or illness unfortunately leads to the death of a worker, surviving dependents are eligible for death benefits, including funeral and burial expenses and financial support. So now let's go over the claims process. Once an injury occurs, it's essential to follow specific steps for a successful workers' compensation claim. Make sure you're listening to the workers' compensation provider when you're following this. You must report the injury. You have to notify your employer as soon as possible. In California, that deadline is generally within 30 days of the injury, but earlier reporting is very advisable. Most companies require you to report the injury immediately or face some sort of action. In addition, seek medical care. Request medical treatment for your injury or illness. You can select your primary treating physician from an employer's medical provider network or MPN, or a pre-designated physician if applicable. Then you have to file the claim. Your employer should provide you with a workers' compensation claim form, the DWC-1. Complete and submit it to your employer or their workers' compensation insurance carrier. Claim investigation. After receiving the claim, the insurance carrier will conduct an investigation to determine its validity. If your claim is accepted, you'll receive the necessary medical treatment and wage replacement benefits. If your claim is denied, or if you disagree with the benefits offered, you have the right to appeal the decision through the California Workers' Compensation Appeals Board, or WCAB. There have been quite a few legislative changes in California that are important for you to know as a worker. Workers' compensation laws and regulations evolve over time. In California, several legislative changes have been made to the workers' compensation system in recent years. These changes are often aimed at addressing cost concerns, improving efficiency, and ensuring fair treatment of injured workers. Senate Bill 1159 is a bill that was expanded to access the workers' compensation benefits for employees who had contracted COVID during the pandemic with certain qualifications. Senate Bill 542 increased fines for employers who fail to maintain workers' compensation coverage. AB 1107 was a bill expanded access to medical treatment through telehealth services, making it more convenient for injured workers to receive care. Next and last, Senate Bill 1155. It extended anti-retaliation protections to workers who make a claim for workplace injury, preventing employer discrimination. In some cases, workers may benefit from legal representation, especially when facing a claim denial, disputes over the level of disability, or concerns about retaliation. Workers' compensation attorneys can provide guidance and advocate for workers' rights within the system. Workers' compensation in California is a comprehensive program designed to protect employees who experience job-related injuries or illnesses. It provides vital medical and financial benefits, and recent legislative changes have aimed to enhance its effectiveness. Understanding eligibility criteria, benefits available, and the claims process is crucial for both employers and employees to navigate the system effectively and ensure that injured workers receive the support they need. Well, that's it for today on Human Resources for the People. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.